everyone, Jenny here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna set up my October monthly budget. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching, for coming back. And if it's your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family. We'll absolutely love to have you here. So for my job and OT, we're gonna budget 2,450. I get paid weekly, and this money is after my 401k contribution, taxes, health, dental, vision, and I also contribute about like $38 toward my HSA, YouTube, and Etsy. I'm gonna get a paycheck this month, which will be for both for August and September together. So let's do 132 because I make less than $50 on YouTube this for side hustle. And older we're gonna budget $750 because I'm working almost every weekend this month, for not for long, like just like a couple hours, but still at convention. So my total income for the month, 2,450 plus 132. So I expect to make $3,332. And like I say, when you're doing your monthly budget, it's always good to budget in the low side for your income and to overestimate your expenses, so at the end of the month you won't have any surprises. For mortgage and my house sinking fund, I usually budget $1,050. If you are new here, I bought a multifamily back in July, so meaning I have a tenant that helped me with my mortgage. And I also the program that I apply, the MHP loan for low income to moderate people income in Massachusetts. I was qualified for a subsidy of $123 every month that go toward my mortgage. And the reason we're gonna increase by $50 is because my homeowner insurance dropped me. So I had still, let me hide my information. I had still water. I definitely don't recommend this home insurance. Cause I can understand. They didn't even this is what I get from them. Let me hide my information so I can show it to you guys. Okay, so they didn't even give me send me pictures or give me or saying, oh, this is what we found, you have 2 weeks to get it repaired. No, nothing like that. She just sent me this, say oh, this letter is to notify you that in state law your policy will be canceled. And the reason that they gave is a broken window, which was happened already repaired this broken window. So I'm guessing the inspector come before when I first closed on the house. I don't know. They are talking about some peeling paint. Come on, because of peeling paint? I didn't even saw the peeling paint they are talking about. And then some unsecure wire hanging off the drawing. And those wire, they're not even electrical wire. They're just my tenant upstairs have cable and stuff, and they has all those for, I guess it's for the cable or something. Yeah, they didn't even I'm okay, maybe those are issues that I needed to resolve, but you could have say, okay, you have 15 days or you have 30 days, whatever it is, to get them repaired. And if not, we're gonna cancel your homeowner insurance. Nope, they just say no notice, no pictures or anything, they cancel it. So I end up with another company, and of course the other company I had to pay more money because since I have my insurance canceled, apparently I cannot consider high risk. Oh yeah, so we're gonna increase this by $50 because I'm thinking right now I have enough money in my escrow account, but I'm guessing next year they will kind of evaluate and they will increase my mortgage payment as if it wasn't high enough. My mom health insurance, she has insurance through the marketplace and I paid for her, it's just $36. My mom phone is $30. She has Metro PC. And my monthly bus train, if you are new here, I don't have a car and I rely on public transportation, and it's $90 because like even though like this train and the T-Pass, I cannot take it where I bought the house because it's in Western Mass, but I'm still spend like half of my time at my parents' house because I have to go to the office, and half of my time at my house. Yeah, so basically I live two places right now. So I need to get a car, but I don't have money. My apps right now I just have Canva and I just pay $6.95, and buffer let's just get to 20. So we're gonna do 1,100 plus 36 plus 30 plus 97 plus 20. It's a total of 1,283. So if we minus it by my expected income, so we have 2,049 left. Food, we're gonna budget 200. Transportation, Uber, even though I'm paying this, maybe I can even like decrease this one. Maybe I have to calculate if it will be best for me to pay as I go. Yeah, we will see. Let's just budget 25. Electricity and gas, I already pay it because I had to pay it before the 11 to get the 20% discount, but I pay it as soon as I get the bill, so forget, because I needed that 20% discount. I will put a screenshot of the bill, and I pay 80.27 for gas and electric, but we're just gonna put 80. Entertainment, let's just do 40. I'm working a lot this month, all those weekends, so there won't be any entertainment for me. Tip will get 10. Spending, let's do 15. Dollar Tree, do I need anything at Dollar Tree? Let's just do 21. Personal care, let's do 10. Copay, let's do 10. Miscellaneous, let's do 20. Giving, let's do 40. And actually Uber and like transportation like slash Uber, let's do 35. So we're gonna do 200 plus 35 plus 80 plus 40 plus 10 plus 15 plus 21 plus this 40 plus 40 plus 40 equal like $481. How much do we had left? We have 2,049. So now we have 1,568 left. My sinking fund, we're not gonna put a lot of money in my sinking fund because I need to finish my saving challenges. So I need to allocate a lot of money toward my saving challenges, and at the end of the month I can put the money toward my sinking fund. But Christmas is coming. I'm very behind on Christmas, so let's do 100. My sister's birthday is this month. Actually, it's next week. So let's do 25. Gifts, let's do 25. Let's do 20. Car, let's do 20. Electronic, let's do 30. Vacation, I don't have any vacation plans, so let's just do 5. Dental, let's do 5. My dental appointment get rescheduled again. That's like 2 times. I was supposed to have my appointment already. They call to reschedule, and then they call again to reschedule, and then again. So hopefully this time I will have it, so I have enough money in my envelope, because I was supposed to have, already. Allowance, I'm gonna give myself 30. Self-care, how much should I put for self-care? Let's do 5. Clothes, I don't need any clothes. Budget with Jenny for my channel, let's do 5. Taxes, let's do 25. Giveaway, I had a giveaway not so long ago, so let's do 5. Epsi, let's do 5, 5, and 5. So how much is it? 100 plus 25 plus 40 plus 30 plus 15 plus 35 plus 5 plus 25 plus 20. Oops, why did I put 0? Plus 20. So it's a total of 295. So we had 1568 minus 295. So we have a total of 1273 left. IRA, we already done with my IRA, so we're gonna do my HSA. Oops, we're gonna do my HSA instead, and we're gonna budget 100. I-bonds, we're just gonna do 25, and everything else will be going toward my saving challenges, which will be $1,148, right? Plus 100 plus 25. Yep, so that's 1,273, and we have no more money left. So this is a zero-based budget. I was able to give every dollar that I plan to earn a purpose. Yep, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video, which probably will be a cash envelope and sinking fund stuffing. Bye, until next time, take care.